Are you trying to capture the attention of potential buyers, customers, or clients? Do you want to increase sales and don't want to be as boring and normal as your competitors? Then getting one of my 2D or 3D explainer videos is the perfect way to go. I am producing these kind of videos since 4 years. Want to see some examples? Just watch the examples next to this video. Because I am new on Fiverr, you will get my welcome bonus. This means that the prices are for the next weeks lower than normal. My team and I will create a 2D or 3D explainer video that is creative, original and fits your needs when it comes to push your business. Just send me the script and tell me something more about your business and what's important for you. I also offer unlimited revisions, so you see my goal is to make your business successful and you happy. No matter what your business is, I am the right guy for you. No matter if it's finance, e-commerce, healthcare, a local business or whatever.